First, I want to personally welcome you and thank you for your interest in this opportunity. My name is Jean-Marc Lopez from Aventure Capital. For more than 30 years, I've been involved in international finance, private investments, real estate development, and asset-backed transactions. What we are offering here is not speculation. This is a structured private investment opportunity backed by prime downtown Toronto real estate assets. Most investors today face the same problem. Traditional fixed income products often fail to beat inflation. Stock markets are volatile, and many so-called alternative investments come with excessive risk and very little real collateral behind them. Our objective was to create something different, a structure designed to provide strong fixed annual returns, asset-backed protection, and upside participation potential through conversion rights. This is why we structured this secured convertible note opportunity. Here's the concept in simple terms. Investors participate through a private secured note structure. The investment is backed by two premium condominium assets located in the heart of downtown Toronto. These are real existing properties with substantial underlying value. The note targets a 12% annual return with monthly payments or accrued interest options over an expected 18 to 24-month investment horizon. Now here's where the structure becomes particularly attractive. If the note is not repaid under the agreed terms, investors may have the ability to convert their position into equity participation. So investors potentially benefit from fixed income, downside asset protection, and possible upside participation. One of the most important elements for me was security. This is not an unsecured startup pitch. This is tied to tangible real estate assets. The structure is supported by registered charges and collateral positioning connected to premium Toronto properties. In other words, there are hard assets behind the opportunity. That changes the risk profile dramatically compared to many private offerings you see online today. So why does this opportunity exist? Because in today's market, traditional financing has become increasingly restrictive. Institutional lenders move slowly. Banks often fail to properly structure transitional or value enhancement situations. That creates opportunities for private capital to step in with smarter, faster asset-backed solutions. Our investors benefit from participating in that gap. This is designed for sophisticated investors. Now, this opportunity is intended exclusively for accredited investors, meaning individuals who understand private placements. This is designed for sophisticated investors looking for yield, security, real asset exposure, and intelligent structuring. Of course, every investment carries risk. Past performance never guarantees future results. And all investors should conduct their own due diligence. That is why we provide full investor materials. The next step is very simple. Schedule a private investor call with our team. During that conversation, we will review the structure, the collateral, and determine whether this aligns with your objectives. I believe this is something worth exploring seriously. Thank you again for your interest. I look forward to speaking with you.